Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now we are refitting the front door card. The front door card putting back is more easy than the rear one. We don't need to remove this water strip, weather strip. Only what we need, we just double check all clips are in the correct position. You see, one is somewhere is left in the door, so just quick remove. And we put it over here. All right, so what we need to do first, put back the door lock cable, what is white we put for the front, the top, and then the green one what is behind underneath the white cable. Okay, and then just hang on, easy, hitting down. Okay, we need to find out the window switch electric cable. If we got it, just press it all around back. Okay, so we're putting back one Phillips screw to the top. Make sure check before put back everything. This works fine. Okay, and then the white Phillips screw what is going there. All right, and now plugging back to the window switch, and next we just hitting down. Okay, other screw is going to be no. First we need to put back this okay, yeah, and then we put back the screw. Many times I did a mistake. I put the screw first and then I realized it's not the correct way. Okay, so all three screws back, and then we start from the bottom now. What's this? Okay, I think it's fine. Put back the plastic cover. Just press in until you're hearing the click noise, and then put back this plastic. And voila, all done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.